You see? Baby Mojave?
Baby,
We're going down the stairs.
go.
Watch how you going, Mama.
Okay.
The little butt got big.
It did.
Baby boy.
Yeah, that's your baby brother.
We're going down.
Go.
Going down.
He's going down for the
I'm
first
not coming. Bye,
time.
baby.
Say bye, Grandma.
Bye, Ma.
Bye, baby.
Baby boy.
Baby brother. Get some more light.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, we going over there anyway.
Hey, this is where we throw our shoes over here.
And then there was darkness.
Good.
What happened here?
The garbage.
Oh. There we go. It's the bathroom. Oh. You ready to get down? Ooh. She's heavy. That was a lot. Ooh. Oh, you got your ball.
Oh.
Here, Mommy's gonna turn on the red light. Put your boppy pillow out. Booker's throwing the ball in.
You're very excited. Just go ahead and do it.
Okay. I need to wash my hands because I took Booker to the bathroom. Let me just turn it off real quick.